2 years after the ousting of dictators in Tunisia, Egypt and Libya, questions on women's rights across the Arab world have been mounting. New Islamist-led governments have slowed down the emancipation of women, and these are the same women who rose up against the long-serving dictators. Ultra-conservative Salafi Muslims pose real threats to women's rights in these fledgling democracies, but discrimination against women is not only confined to these countries. The Lebanese women candidates were hosted by a French member of the European Parliament, Marie-Thérèse Sanchez-Schmidt.
So we hope that our support will be a good message for the Parliament to open to women candidates. You know that in the south of the Mediterranean, all the countries are actually really in big changes, and we want the message to go there as well and say that women are mostly half of the population in those countries, and they have to be part of the democratic changing.
The meeting focused on the biggest participation of women in politics and improving the work with the media to support women and to improve the visibility for women leaders and empowering women economically. The visit was organized in relation with the NGO Women in Front, which represents women in Lebanese political life. Zoel Abu Farhat Rizkallah, Vice President of the Women in Front.
Women in Front have been there like a year, not more than that, but we're mainly focusing and highlighting to promote women leaders in the country. We represent 53% of the population, and unfortunately we're not being able to participate in the parliament so far. Now we have like 3.1% as women participation, let's say 4 women over 128 seats, which is really one of the lowest rates in the world, in the Arabic country as well. We need to encourage more women to run for the office and to change mentalities in the country, to help them accept more that women have a role to play in politics.
Lebanon could serve as an example and present women for the next parliamentary elections. It is a right and even a duty for them to participate in elections so as to allow their nation to benefit from the diversity of its members in the parliament. The candidates know that the EPP group and other European counterparts support them.